Hello YouTube, hello e-bears. This is Tom from Tom's Music Shop. Today I got a special treat. This is a Hohner Corona IIIR accordion in the rare white pearl color in GCF. And I'm just going to give a quick look and quick sound test of how it sounds. You can see the back looks pretty darn good too. With these, oftentimes some of the sparkle gets a little dirty or wears off, and this one is one of the better ones that I've seen, maybe the best. So that's pretty cool. The register is working well, a little stiff, but works fine. And we'll play a little something. That's just a brief introduction to this accordion. Thanks for looking. See you next time.